Solar renewable energy credits. Solar renewable energy credits. SREX. And if you have any questions about SREX, let me know. This is a very boiled down, synthesized explanation of it. So if you have any questions specific, want to know how many SREX you can get for your house or business, I'm more than happy to show you. SREX. Lots of companies show you how to sell your SREX off. So you sell the rights off in exchange for a lump sum. That's good, but I like to show you how to collect all of the SREX yourself, and that's the way I'm doing it. My house it has solar panels on it right now, and I've just collected 2. And I get really pumped up, and each time I collect 1 SREC, I'm gonna do a video about it. Now, what I'm gonna start talking about now is why my customers really like working with me, and that's because I show them how to buy solar panels and how to collect tax credits and how to collect solar renewable energy credits. So what is an SREC? An SREC, 1 SREC is 1,000 kilowatt hours. 1 SREC equals 1,000 kilowatt hours. 1,000 kilowatt hours equals 1 SREC. So the way that it works, Mariel Bowser passed a plan called a sustainability plan, and this was about 1.5 years ago. And whenever she passed that, the SREC skyrocketed way up, okay? The reason for this is because the plan sets forth a carbon tax. Everybody keeps hearing about carbon tax, but DC has one of the biggest ones, and it's called the SREC program. It finds companies that are selling dirty energy into the city, and it finds them, say $500 or $600, and instead of them paying that full amount, they buy these credits from you as either a business or a homeowner that has solar. You can guarantee income from SRECs for 10 years.